What up YouTube, Sean here. Hey YouTube. So I've got a quick I'm labeling this as emergency session unboxing video for you. So if you watch my figure unboxing video, you would have seen that the original Sakura figure was damaged. The wand arm broke off. So I got in contact with Good Smile, sent them some pictures, informed them of what happened, and so they sent me a replacement. And so I'm hoping to heaven that the arm did not break off again this time. And so the arm is did in fact arrive intact, it seems. Okay, so I can see on this one they definitely took a bit extra care on packaging the wand arm. I guess, dang it, like a curl on her hair has been caught inside as a plastic. Okay, and so now okay, and that is in fact an intact arm. Okay, so I've actually got to take that one down, and I've got to, I literally just got home and this was waiting for me. So I've got to take the big one down, get it set up in order to properly set the figure. Rocking the Fire Emblem Echoes wallpaper. I do suppose I need the wand holding arm. Okay, that's slid off pretty easily. Need to get my hand in here in order to apply some form of upward pressure. There we go. I shall also need the star bit off the crown. Okay, that's going to take a little bit of force. Oh, yeah, I'll just take that off. Now, here's the slot. Right there. A little bit tough going in. Okay. There we go. Now I'm properly seated. Now I've got to figure out how to remove a star bit. Perfect. Now, banner. Is it supposed to go like that? Okay. I'll just leave it like that. Okay. There we go. Perfect. And now she's sitting back up, the only place she can actually fit on top of everything. Alright. So this was a quickie, but it was worth it. So, we'll see you in the next one.
After all, I gave you something special. Don't you think it's ironic you're the first boy I'd ever kiss? 'Cause I'll be your last!